We would like to show you paintings of Julia Beloslutseva, a young painter from Russia. Julia was born in 1987 in the city of Barnaul. Beloslutseva is her maiden name, which she took for a pseudonym. She studied painting in Kemerovo, Western Siberia. At the age of 7, she became a student of Kisilova, a member of the Union of Russian Artists. She finished Children's Art School number 19 in Kemerovo with honors. After finishing secondary school number 93 in 2005, she entered the Kemerovo State University of Culture and Arts to study graphic design, from which she graduated in 2011. She studied academic painting and drawing under such artists as Kisilova Elena Nikolaevna, Sherbinin Evgeny Ivanovich, and Drozd Andrei Nikolaevich, members of the Union of Russian Artists. As a student, Julia participated in a number of exhibitions and competitions. Expo Sibir in 2007, Kommunalka exhibition of contemporary art at the Union of Architects in Kemerovo in 2009, Architectural Feta exhibition at the Union of Architects in 2009. In 2009, she got a silver diploma in the graphic symbols category for the emblem with love for the city of the International Festival Competition of the Modern Policy Creative Industries. In 2011, she participated in the Young Siberia Regional Youth Exhibition Competition. In 2012, Julia visited Spain, where she participated in the Days of Slavic Art in Madrid exhibition at the Russian Center for Science and Culture. In 2016, Julia Beloslutseva participated in the Ethno Art Fest in London and won the third prize. In 2017, she arranged the Shiny Dreams one-person exhibition in the ethnography section showroom of the Creative Union of Russian Artists. In 2017, she joined the Creative Union of Russian Artists and moved to Moscow. In 2018, she took the first prize at the Art Poetry Exhibition competition, and the same year she joined the Union of Folk Artists.